are really good. They're looking really good. Huh? Let me see the daily though. Check out the daily. Oh man.
I do like that trend line on the low time
Yeah,
frame, you
it's a
know.
and for a lot of people, this price action pattern may look like a nice reversal pattern, like a nice bearish pattern. But what you must understand, look, we coming from a nice engulfing pattern, and we did not break below this previous body. This candle right here is an indecision candle, meaning that we have a lot of fire between bulls and bears, but we did not break below it. So as long as we respect structure, this thing's still a buy. So I do expect a nice push to the upside on this one, to be honest with you. And the 4 hours actually giving us that push. It's giving us, this is a nice rejection pattern, Harami pattern in the way. Look, I'm gonna buy. If you guys are with me, let's just go ahead and buy 1% though. I like this buy. GBP, JPY, and then we're gonna place two positions because I want. Then this thing is gonna leave it's gonna leave us. So roughly I got a 150, right? So we're at 150. All right, so I just bought exactly what we were expecting, right? Nice liquidity grab right here, and it's I'm sorry to be so redundant, but at the same time, we need to be redundant because we need to actually always double check these areas right here, right? So those areas where the market wicked and reverse, right? And that was what was important, right? So we saw this area in particular with a lot of liquidity. And then if you watch the recording yesterday, I said, look, I would not be surprised that we come back down with a wick, grab liquidity and start pushing up, right? And then that's why I have my pending order. So I did enter a market execution right after this candle right here. I long the market live with you guys. And then I tell you guys, let's just put another percent, another 1%, be a buy limit of 149,900, right? So order trigger went into a little bit of drawdown and boom, massively push up. We already book our partials, stops to break even, TP1 just demolished.
Let's see what we can see. We've already had this consolidation pre-market. We had this fake to the downside. We're getting a fake to the upside, and I think we can get one more retest back down. A retest of 15,800 for the push up, that would be ideal. But as long as you have those zones marked up, just let the market fake and then just catch it on the other side. All right, let's review this NAS 100 trade. Price ended up making a rejection off of the 970 level, came all the way back down to our daily support at 780. Clean rejection. We had the first candlestick reject support, second candlestick reject support, had the first bullish push, and then a beautiful retest of that 780 zone. Price shot up, hit our take profit level, and then just continued to run back to the 16,400 daily zone. Overall, beautiful trade, perfect double bottom off the daily level.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to this week's trade of the week. It's your man O coming at y'all for my trade, and that is GJ. So you guys know we ended up calling a buy and the sell. Yes, we made money both ways, made 200 pips on the buy, ended up calling it twice. Right after it came up to this area of interest, third touch, I want to say on the trend line, beautiful rejection candle. We ended up calling the sell right away, ended up dropping a good 100 pips. So we're already, I guess, 50% of the way. And if price manages to break 150.500, we can potentially see it come back down to 149. All right, so huge shifts in the bearish direction, managed to pull back into an area of interest and a beautiful rejection candle to entice us to take this trade. You guys can see the trade was called yesterday, and we are up, floating a good 100 pips. So again, if you took this trade or took the buy, you guys ended up profiting.